Hello everyone, welcome back to BlazeBlock Fire Safety Solutions. In today's video, we'll discuss important tips to avoid air conditioner fire hazards. Recently, a chilling incident in Noida, where a split AC exploded, raised significant safety concerns. Thankfully, no one was injured, but it emphasizes the need for proper AC maintenance and safety. Let's dive into the key causes and preventive measures to keep your home safe. Reason number 1. Overheating due to continuous operation. Running your AC for hours without breaks puts immense stress on the compressor, leading to overheating, fires, or even explosions. To prevent this, limit usage to 2-3 hours at a time and use timers or smart controllers to manage usage efficiently. Unusual noises like buzzing, clanking, or grinding, circuit breaker tripping frequently, weak airflow, or warm air, a burning smell. Be mindful of these warning signs. Addressing them early can prevent disasters. Reason number 2. Refrigerant gas leaks. These disrupt the cooling process, forcing the AC to overwork and overheat, which increases the risk of fires. Watch out for signs like weak airflow, warm air, hissing sounds, or ice buildup on coils. Reason number 3. Voltage fluctuations. Sudden spikes or drops in voltage can damage the compressor and other electrical components, which might lead to a potential blast. Protect your AC by installing a voltage stabilizer, using surge protectors, or opting for inverter technology that maintains stable voltage levels. By addressing these 3 factors, overheating, refrigerant leaks, and voltage fluctuations, you can ensure safe and efficient AC usage. Remember, regular maintenance is the key to avoiding fire hazards. Thanks for watching BlazeBlock Fire Safety Solutions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more safety tips. Stay safe and see you next time.